Welcome to Cooking with Q. Today I'm taking you to the streets of Korea and making tteokbokki. Tteokbokki, or also known as spicy Korean rice cakes, is a quick, easy, and tasty dish that only takes about 20-25 minutes to cook from scratch. For this recipe, you will need some Korean rice cakes, some fish cakes, some gochujang, some Korean chili flakes, some garlic, some green onions, some sugar, some soy sauce, and some dashi. All right, first things first, we get our garlic, kind of crush that up. Now we got our green onions, we're gonna cut them in half. Half is for the sauce and the other half is for garnish. Cut them in half like so. Now these little ends, we're just gonna cut them up, dice them like normal. And these ones, just for garnish later. Now that we got that prep out of the way, let's work on our sauce. We need 3 tablespoons of the hot pepper paste. You'll probably want to use 2 spoons because it's very sticky and kind of hard to get out. Your minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of the hot chili flakes. Make it 2 if you like it really hot. And lastly, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. I almost forgot about the fish cake. There's no right or wrong way. I usually just kind of cut it in little triangles or those little skewed rectangles. I don't know what you'd call those. Now that we have that, we can heat up the dashi, put in the sauce, put in the rice cakes, and we're pretty well home free after that. So the dashi doesn't take very long to heat up. It's only 2 cups, so once it starts to simmer, you can add in your sauce. And whisk it around so the hot pepper paste gets dissolved. You can add our onions too. And give this about 4 or 5 minutes to kind of heat up and start simmering. All right, it's starting to bubble. We can add our rice cakes and fish cakes. So then you're going to want to cook this on medium heat for about 8-10 minutes until all the broth is soaked up by the rice cakes. Make sure to keep stirring as much as you can. You don't want these rice cakes to get stuck to the pan. Drop a little sesame seed oil, some sesame seeds, and some green onions. And here it is.
Wow, can I have some?
For second edition, I'm Quentin Schroeder. Thanks for watching.